Get ready to fly high in the world of student living with St. Martin's House. Home to over 160 students, St. Martin's House offers a fantastic range of elegant studios and ensuite apartments. Experience the ultimate luxury in self-contained studio apartment, complete with a fully furnished bedroom, an ensuite bathroom, and a sleek kitchenette with a wonderful living area. If you're looking for a shared living option, the ensuite room is the way to go, perfect for making new friends. After a long day of lectures, kick back and relax in the common room where you can challenge your friends to a game of foosball, pool, or even catch a movie. Located on the bustling King Street, right in the heart of Leicester City Centre, St. Martin's House is only a short 7-minute walk from Montfort University and just a quick 5-minute drive from the University of Leicester, so you don't have to worry about missing your lectures and much-needed sleep. And when it comes to exploring the city, you couldn't be in a better spot. Just step out and take a stroll to the shops, bars, cafes, and restaurants to immerse yourself in the vibrant culture and rich heritage of this fine city. If you're a student who appreciates comfort and luxury, St. Martin's House is the perfect home away from home. Book your room today at amberstudent.com and start living your best life.